Bonjour, bonjour les élèves. Good morning students. Today we are going to see the translation of lesson number 3. So nous allons voir la leçon numéro 3, la traduction de la leçon numéro 3. So le titre de cette leçon est Je cherche une correspondante. I search for a correspondent means a friend which is in abroad. Okay? A friend who is in abroad. Okay? So je cherche une correspondante. So you have 3 dialogues. First we have the 2 dialogues and 1 letter. Okay? So now we are going to see the conversation of the dialogue. So dialogue A, Ajit and Joseph. So I am going to read line by line and explain you in English. Okay? So le professeur n'est pas dans la classe d'histoire. So the professor is not in the history class. So the period is history. So he is not in that class. Okay, the professor is not in that class. So Joseph is asking, no, il n'est pas là. No, he is not there. So next one, qu'est-ce qu'on fait alors? So what we are going to do then? Okay, so Ajit is asking, the professor is not in the history class. So and Joseph is telling, no, he is not there. So next Ajit is telling what we are going to do then. So we are going to the canteen. On va à la cantine. D'accord. Yes. Et voilà une nouvelle étudiante. So and here is a new student. Étudiant means student. Okay. So quel est son nom? What's her name? Quel est son nom? What is her name? So je ne connais pas son nom. I don't know her name. So étudiante is feminine. So it is son means her. It's a feminine girl. Okay. So quel est son nom? Je ne connais pas son nom. I don't know her name. Okay. So this is the first dialogue of this lesson. So dialogue A. So I hope it is clear with you for the dialogue A. We are going for dialogue B. Kaveri and Riya. So Kaveri and Riya are having a conversation between them. So, tiens, qu'est-ce que tu fais? So, tiens means it's an expression. Tiens. Then, what we are going to do? What we are going to do? Okay, like that. Tiens. So, tiens, from the verb tenir. So, we are not going to do the conjugate the verb tenir here. It's an expression. It's not a verb. Okay. So, tiens. Then, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What you are doing? Je regarde une annonce. So, in front of a board. You are in front of a board. Okay? So, you are looking for a notice. So, if you are looking for a notice, she is asking, then what you are doing here? So, she is telling, I am watching this announcement. Okay? Next, quelle annonce? Which announcement? Which news you are looking at? Une jeune Française cherche une correspondante indienne. So a young French girl is searching for an Indian correspondent girl. Okay? So she is searching for a French Indian friend. Okay? So it's interesting. So it is very interesting to get a correspondent with a friend which is abroad. Okay? So this is a conversation between Riya and Kaveri. So this is over for the dialogue B. Now for the third thing, you are going to see a letter. So letter C. So letter C, it's a letter which Nadesh is writing to her correspondent. Okay, so in this letter, she is going to describe about her and her family members. Okay, so what she is doing and all. So we are going to see para by para. So I have written in colors. You can see the different shade. Okay. So I am going to start reading the letter now. I am going to stop in each paragraph and explain you the passage. Okay. So Nadesh écrit une lettre. So Nadesh is writing a letter. You can see in the letter we wrote the place and the date. Okay. So Paris le 10 août 2010. So the letter is wrote on the 10th of August 2010. Okay. So I am going to start reading the letter of Nadesh. Salut, je m'appelle Nadesh. J'ai 16 ans et je suis française. Je suis petite et brune. J'ai les yeux bleus. So, hi, my name is Nadesh. I am 16 years old and I am French. Okay, French is a nationality. Okay, so she is French. Je suis petite, I am short and brown. Brune means the brown color. Okay. J'ai les yeux bleus. I have blue eyes. So she describes herself. Now in the second paragraph, mon père est professeur au lycée et ma mère est femme au foyer. So my father is a professor in lycée. Lycée is in higher secondary school. Okay. And my mother is a housewife. Femme au foyer means housewife. Okay. J'ai 3 sœurs et un frère. So she is describing the members of her family. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. Okay, j'ai 3 sœurs et un frère. Next, mes sœurs sont aux États-Unis. My sisters are in United States. Okay, so her sisters are in United States. So they are abroad. Elles sont comme moi. They are like me. Okay, my sisters are like me. Short, petite et intelligent. They are like me, short and very intelligent. Okay. Mon frère est informaticien. So what is informaticien? It's a software engineer. Okay. So informatique. This comes from the verb computer. Okay. So software engineer. My brother is a software engineer. Next. Il travaille à Montréal au Canada. So he works in Montreal. Montreal is a city in Canada. As we saw French cities in Canada, it's Quebec also is a French city in Canada. So we have another city also, Montreal. Okay, so il est grand et il est toujours gai. So he is tall and he is always happy. Être toujours gai, he is always happy. So this is a passage of his father, describing his father, mother, sister and brother. Okay, so this is the passage of describing the family members. And now she is going to tell where she lives. Okay, so j'habite un beau quartier. I live in a beautiful area. So quartier means area. I live in a beautiful area in Paris, à Paris. So Paris est une belle ville. So Paris is a beautiful city, isn't it? So we saw about France. Paris is a beautiful city, city of lights. Okay, so mes parents vont beaucoup au théâtre et au cinéma. So my parents goes a lot to the theater. Theater means not theater, that is drama. Okay, so they look for many dramas. Okay, so sketch, and they are going to the cinema. Moi, je vais souvent dans les parcs avec mes amis. Myself, for me, I go often with my friends to the parks. Okay, so this is a description about the city where she lives and what she is doing with her parents and what she is doing herself. So now we are going to go for the next paragraph. Je parle 2 langues, français et italien. So I speak 2 languages, French and Italian. Okay, so she's speaking 2 languages. Je comprends un peu l'allemand et l'espagnol. So I can understand a little bit. Allemand means German. Allemand means German and Spanish. Espanol means Spanish. So this is Germany language and Spain language. Okay. So German and Spanish. Je ne comprends pas l'anglais. I cannot understand English. So she doesn't know English. Okay. So je n'aime pas les sports. I don't like sports. She don't like sports. J'écoute beaucoup la musique américaine, mais je déteste le jazz. I listen a lot the American music, but I hate the jazz. So it's a different kind of music, you can see. American music, they have different kinds of music, okay? So she don't like American music, but she dislike the jazz. J'adore les animaux. I love a lot animals. Okay? Nous avons 3 chats et une perruche. So we have 3 cats. So she loves animals. She has 3 cats. Perruche is a kind of parrot. Okay? It's a big parrot that we call perruche. We have a long beak. Okay? So une perruche. Ils sont vraiment charmants. They are very charming with us, very kind with us, okay? So the animals are very kind with her. So, j'aime beaucoup l'Inde. I love a lot India. Je voudrais venir en Inde. I would like to come to India. J'ai des amis européens. I have European friends and American friends. I am searching for an Indian friend. Okay, so she wants to be in contact with the Indian friends to know more about India. Okay, so she loves a lot India. She wants a French Indian friend. Okay, so Amitié Nadesh. With love, Nadesh. So this is the letter of Nadesh, which she is describing a lot about her family, about herself, about where she lives, everything in a letter. Okay, to describe this for a friend about her. So this is over for this lesson. We saw the translation of this lesson. We are going to learn and write the English meaning with what I taught you. So vous allez écrire en anglais. We are going to write it in English. So line by line we are going to write with what I taught in English. Learn and write as an assignment.
So in this lesson we are going to describe a person. Okay, so we are going to find out how to describe a person. Okay, so we have the aspect, physical aspect. Okay, so we have the height, the face, the hair, okay, or the eyes, okay, or the age also. And we have the character of the person. Okay, so we have la taille. Okay, la taille means the height. Next, you have the face, part of the face. Okay, how is the part of the face? Next, the hair color. How are your hair? Next, you have the age of the person that you are going to describe. Okay, next you have the character. Le caractère, is he nice, naughty, or how is his character? Lazy, okay, or kind, anything can be, okay. So here you have some hint in French. And how to describe a person, décrire quelqu'un, how to write, comment il est. So how is the person? So il est grand, his height, is big, is tall, or he has blue eyes. Okay, so like that for masculine. And then next column, the next line you have the paragraph, you have it for feminine. Okay, so next you can see here we have some pictures. Okay, how to tell for masculine person and how to tell for feminine person. Okay, so you have is young, il est jeune. Il est jeune means he is young. Oh, okay, so what we are going to say for a girl? Elle est jeune. Okay, so we are going to describe the person. Âgé means old, vieux. We can say âgé or vieux. Next we can say handsome to a man. Okay, il est beau. And for a girl, elle est belle. Okay, next one, il est laid, il est moche, he is ugly. Or she is not nice to see. Okay, ugly also. Next one, he is tall, il est grand, or elle est grande. Okay, so these are some hint for you to write a description of a person. Next, you have the same, how to write for has, eyes, okay, and how is he, his appearance. So is he with the barb, mustache, okay, so or he has no hair in his head. Okay, so or it has been tattoo or all. Okay, so you are going to describe the person. So you have this in French. Okay, So next we are going to see to talk about the taste and the preference of a person. Okay, so in this lesson we saw my sister like this, my brother like this. Okay, so you have to talk about the taste of a person, the preference and the taste of a person. So adorer means to adore. It's more than to like. Okay, so here you have example. J'adore le chocolat. I love chocolates. Next, beaucoup aimer. So I like very much. Okay, tu aimes beaucoup le cinéma. Next one, aimer, bien aimer. So you like the jazz. Next, ne pas aimer. So don't like. I don't like to write. Next, don't like. Okay, so again, ne pas aimer du tout. Du tout means not at all. Okay, so you don't like not at all. Il n'aime pas du tout le sport. Okay, détester. Elle déteste le brocoli. She dislikes the broccoli. Okay, but broccoli is a nice thing that everyone should eat. Okay, it's a kind of spinach. Okay, broccoli, it is very good for health. Okay, but the example given here, it is she disliked the broccoli. Okay, so you're going to do this activity exercise. Okay, so you're going to refer this activity. Okay, so and revise the translation of this lesson number 3. Okay, so I hope it is clear with the translation. Thank you. Merci.